Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to change the description of a Telegram channel on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Step 2. Go to the channel you want to modify and click on it to open. Step 3. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner and click on it. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Manage Channel. Step 5. Under the channel photo, you will find a text box. Enter your new description there. Step 6. Once you've entered the new description, click on the Save button. That's it. You have successfully changed the description of your Telegram channel on your PC. The new description will now be visible to your channel members and visitors. By keeping your channel description up to date, you can provide important information and updates to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.